Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Crypto Pro Show with Carlton Flowers, and let's get ready to pivot, because I think something is about to happen. We need to keep our eyes peeled for the next couple of hours. We're on the 1 hour candle. I think we have 2 hours to go as we approach the blue 4.236 fib circle line that I constructed after the closure of the previous swing into this new channel, this new down channel. Each time we have come upon the boundaries of these fib circle lines, we see something happen, a swing point. As the last blue line, we watched Bitcoin crawl up the line, and then we had this big green candle pump until it just about touched the line and started to propagate outwards into this horizontal movement. So I think we're going to see something happen right here, and what we are going to see is one of two things. First thing could be an explosion to the upside. Second thing could be a drop. I think that the probability is that we're going to drop. All right, let's zoom out a little bit and go out to the 1 hour to the 4 hour candles so we can see where we are going. Now, shrinking this down, we can see the bottom of the channel, the trading channel that we had established, and then we can see this red 4.236 fib line. So the landing place for this next movement is either going to be dropping down. We hit the blue line. We're either going to drop straight down to the bottom of the trading channel, possibly where it crosses the next 4.618 line, or we could drop all the way down here to the 4.236 red, where it crosses the blue 4.618. That's what I think will happen. Now, let me show you something else. This is from a picture that I made earlier today. And let us clear this away so we can see what's going on. Sometimes you have to look at the simple blue line. This is from TradingView, the simple blue line, to see where we are with the big picture. I think we are in a falling wedge as we connect the lower lows at the bottom and the descending lower highs at the top. We seem to be forming this falling wedge formation, and what we do know is that we usually break out before you get to the apex of any triangle. So if we do break out, that gives us a chance of breaking out here when we hit somewhere around 9,000, or we could dive down, correct, and then head towards about 7,200. That is what I think the highest probability could be. The second most probable case, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, not financial advice, is that we could bounce up out from about the 8,500 level. But I don't think that'll happen. So we could probably get here, and then this is where the breakout goes. Or we break to the downside and start some action down here and head down around until we get to about 5,000, 5,500. Some people are saying that it could be down here into the 4,000s, and then of course we had that last video where I said, is there a case for 2,800? Yes, there is a case for it, but it's of the least likely probability. The probability is that we're going to bounce up and continue with this bull market. If we do correct to 2,800, the next bull run is going to be even harder and faster than what it was before. So highest probability is somewhere here. After that, it could be here or here. And then the least likely scenario is that we bounce straight out from this point. When we hit the blue line, we go straight up now, or we go down to 2,800 and then have a massive bull run after that. Okay, so let's go back to the chart here. And let's zoom out so we can look at what we're seeing on the 1 day. Now, on the 1 day, let's stretch this out just a little bit. These fib circle boundaries have been magical, so keep your eyes peeled, but we can see that bigger 4.236 a little bit better here, and we can see the moving averages are still coming up. I think that's your 50-day, and here is the 100 or 200. I can't remember which it was. So watch the birdie, folks. Keep your eyes peeled. The decision point is coming. This is Carlton Flowers, the Crypto Pro, and if you have not done so yet, please like and subscribe so we can do a lot more rumbling and rambling in the future. This is Carlton. I'm out.